Switching phones and have an LML backup from your old LG device? Don't lose your contacts during the transition. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll walk you through restoring contacts from these LG phone backup files. Just a heads up, when we get to our final point, the one-click fix, we'll be discussing the value of a single powerful LML file inspection tool. An LML file is a contacts backup created by LG PC Suite or similar software for LG mobile phones. Users typically create this file to save their phone's address book to a computer. The primary user intent is to restore these contacts to a new LG device or to view them on a PC. The LML format is a proprietary container, often structured similarly to a vCard, VCF, or CSV file, but wrapped in a unique binary or XML schema specific to LG's software. This design ensures data integrity during the backup and restore process within the LG ecosystem, but complicates direct access. The ideal software for creation and opening of LML is LG PC Suite from LG Electronics Inc. Full multi-track access requires a utility specifically designed for the media format. Windows lacks understanding of mobile OS formats, so specialized tools are required for full access. The key to fixing this LML file is finding the right software association. Right-click it and choose Open With. Start with LG PC Suite if available. If not, select another application from the list. When your LML file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. General troubleshooting won't work on this LML file due to its complexity. We need to check off these specific items before we can attempt the solution. First, restoring with LG Bridge. Install LG Bridge on Windows or Mac and connect your LG phone via USB cable. Use the Backup and Restore feature, selecting the LML file to restore contacts to the connected device. LG Bridge handles authentication with the phone and synchronizes the contact data into the device's address book through the LG synchronization protocol. Next, converting to vCard. Try renaming the LML file to .vcf and opening with a contact application since some LG backup formats follow vCard standards. If the contact data appears correctly, the file can be imported directly into Google Contacts iCloud Outlook or any modern contact manager supporting standard vCard format for cross-platform contact migration. Finally, inspecting in Text Editor. Open LML files in Notepad++ or Visual Studio Code to inspect contents directly. Many LG backup files contain readable XML or text-based data with contact fields visible for manual extraction if needed. Copy contact information into modern contact platforms when automated tools fail, or for partial data recovery from corrupted backup files. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.